Today's class I am going to teach about how to write the Verilog HDL code for NOR gate using 2:1 mux. So previous video we discussed the implementation of NOR gate using 2:1 mux. If you need it, kindly refer the video. Now we move on the session. So first I will draw the implementation diagram. So it's an NOR gate using 2:1 mux. I0 and I1 is the input of mux and A is the selection line. So this I0 is connected to B bar, I1 is connected to ground or logic 0. Ground or logic 0. Y is the output. So when A equal to 0, this B bar is connected to output. When A equal to 1, this logic 0 is connected to output. So this is the basic operation. So now I am going to write the Verilog HDL code. So first you write module, then module name NOR mux 221. So it's a module name within a bracket. So what are the variables used in this diagram? Just I noted here. So I0, I1, selection line, then Y. So among these four variables, these three variables used as input, Y considered as output. So first you write module name, then declaration of variables I0, I1, selection line, then Y. Now declare the input variable. So input I0, I1, selection. So these three variables considered as input variable. Then output. So output declare as register, reg, wire. Then always at star. So the star represents the variable. So which variable is change the output. So here A and B. So A and B is change the output. Then initial, begin. So initial, begin. So here using case. So case, selection. So based on the selection line, I0 is connected to output or I1 is connected to output. So case, selection. Then first case 1 tick B 0. So first initially the selection value is set to be 0. The output Y equal to I0. So the output Y equal to I0. Then second case 1 tick B 1. The selection line value goes to 1. So in this case output equal to I1. So Y equal to I1. Then default Y equal to I0. So I0 is a default value. Then end case, end module. So it's a Verilog HDL code for NOR gate using 2:1 mux. Now come to Testbench Verilog HDL code. So first you write module, then module name. So NOR test TB. So NOR TB is the module name. Then declaration of input variable and output variable. So in Testbench, input variable considered as reg, output variable considered as wire. So in this program, I0, I1 selection line is considered as the input variable, Y is the output variable. So reg I0, I1, selection, then wire Y. So it's a output variable. Then declaration of instantiation. So in this Verilog HDL code, the module name is NOR mux 221. So NOR mux 221. Then DUT. So DUT is NOR gate. So DUT is NOR gate. Then so within a bracket mention the instantiations I0. So I0 equal to B bar. So not of B. Then dot I1. So I1 equal to 0. So 1 tick B 0. Then selection line, dot of selection line. So selection line is A. Then output dot Y. So this is the simple way to declare the instantiations. Then initial, begin. So initial, begin. Then initially A value 0, B value 0. So both the values are 0, A and B. 0, 0. So after 25 time cycle, so after 25 nanosecond, A value goes to 1. So after 25 nanosecond, A value goes to 1. So now A value 1, B value maintained as it is. The next 25 nanosecond, A value goes to 0, B value goes to 1. So now A value goes to 0, B value goes to 1. Then after 25 nanosecond, A value goes to 1. So A value goes to 1, B value 1. So it maintains as it is. Then after 25 nanosecond, A value goes to 0. So A value 0, B value 1. So these two input variable making 4 combinations of input 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Then end. So close the begin. Then finally end module. So end module. So this is the simple way to write Verilog HDL code and Testbench code for NOR gate using 2:1 marks. So I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.